Look here. Baghdad, Erbil, area of Iraq, but Kurdistan. And most time this is associated with not the best things, right? Some tough times, some fighting. Oh man, ISIS. That's kind of good. That's all bad stuff. There's some good stuff here too. Okay? Like right here, the people. People right here working very, very hard. Say, hey, what's up? Yeah, working very, very hard. Up and down this street. Selling clothes, selling food, selling sunglasses. Yeah, right? Want to wear those? Yeah. These are good things, helping us all out. Some of them have been pushed out of their area, forced to leave. And they got to stay here, but they're staying strong. That's a good thing. Good hearts, good minds, good students working very, very hard, right? That's how this should be associated. That's the bad, negative stuff. Forget them, ISIS. We don't want them anymore. We want good, hard-working people, young men, all right? So, keep that in mind. Working together, one world, one people staying strong. Understand me? Fighting together. America, Middle East, working together, right? Nice job. You know, we're cities. That's just a place. No, we're a person. We're cities. And every city has a reason for being. And they have a reason for being right here. They have a service. They have a purpose. Right? Letting you guys know who they're all about. Keep that in mind, all right? So, right here on YouTube, City of J. Right here. Tell us your thoughts. Or tweet me. Send me a tweet at City of J. Let's talk about how we can keep things peaceful and keep things merciful all around the world. Thank you. Well done, team. All right, guys. Hey, say goodbye. Hey, bye. All right.